Hey guys, Jeremy here with One More Step, and we're dedicating our Facebook page to helping you with digital media and strategy and social media. Now, if you're leading ministry, you might have already bought some equipment and it's a little intimidating, and trying to figure out how to use everything just seems a little bit cumbersome in your overall workflow. So I'm here to help that. First things first, you can use your cell phone to create professional content on a regular basis and make the whole workflow more efficient. This video is about how to optimize your phone settings for that. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is go into our settings. So most phones have some kind of settings icon that looks like that, and then you're gonna go into your settings. So this is an iPhone, but this tutorial should be applicable to any phone. So we're scrolling down and we're looking for our camera app. So there's going to be some kind of settings, and within the settings, a camera app with every phone. Once we get to our camera app, then we have a couple things that we can do. So one of the first things I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into my record video, and this is going to tell my phone where I want the recording to be designated. If I want the highest quality, I'm going to go for 4K. But also too, you have different frame rates. Now, for the sake of this video, we're not going to go into the complexity of the frame rates, but for the most part, if we're talking about stuff where you're not moving a lot, let's do 24 frames per second. And if you are moving a lot, say if it's an action, it's a youth group video, let's do 60 frames per second. If you have questions about that, message me directly. There are specific reasonings for that, but just know as long as you have it in 4K, you're at the highest quality that you can get. Okay, so now you also have a lot of options, have the record slow-mo, and so same thing here. You have a couple different options. However, the big difference is only HD for this type of phone. Other phones have different things available. So you might have a 4K option available. Now, if you only have 120 frames and 240 frames per second as your different options, just know that the higher the frame rate, the slower the video is going to be. Okay, so those are two different things that you could do right off the bat. Now, the second thing I want to make sure that you guys understand, usually when the front camera has less quality, it won't be your 4K, it'll be your HD, 1080p, or even 720. It's the back of the lens that is going to have the highest quality. So you're going to want to use the back of the lens whenever you can. Now you might be like, well, I can't see myself and I want to record myself. What I would do is I would set it up so that you can see yourself with the front camera, and then just turn it around. And if you're not doing a live shot, you can always just come back and look, but usually you'll try to just line up the lens. Okay, this is where the back lens is. This is where the front lens is, almost in the same spot. So I just get myself all set up, have the phone either on a tripod or placed on something, and then I just turn the phone around and start recording. And that is going to be your highest quality. So again, make sure you go into your settings to get your highest quality. And there's some other things you can do too to optimize. So please reach out to us for more tips. And if you are interested in working with us, we are taking clients right now.